first words of the Constitution is "We the people of India." And when emergency was declared, where were the we people of India? Everybody was silent. Judiciary was silent. Press was silent or made to go to silence. For example, the first editorial on Indian Express, I had come out of the college days. I was 21 years old, so I know all these things. I have seen this closely. The Indian Express, the editorial was blind. The first day. They were ready. Their electricity was disconnected. When the newspapers were being printed, there was no digitization that time. There was no digital systems that time. When the papers were being pressed, suddenly, you have seen on the slide, suddenly the power was cut off. So this was the system existed during the emergency, and for whom? Only to protect one person, the then Prime Minister, Mrs. Indira Gandhi. Just to save her, she, in place of obeying the orders of the High Court and giving up the seat and facing by-election, she preferred to imprison lakhs of people in the country and rule as a dictator.
एक लक्षात दवरपाक जितली डिसिजनां तिने चडशी घेतली ही तिने बारीक लोकांक दोळे मुखार दवरून घेतलेली डिसिजनां आनी म्हणून अशी जी डिसिजनां इंदिरा गांधीन घेतली ती डिसिजनां त्या काळात घेवप हे अत्यंत महत्वाचें आसतालें. महत्वाकांक्षी बायल मनीस, मुखावेले चिंतपी विजन आशिल्ले बायल मनीस, अशे तिचे वेगवेगळे रुपां ह्या देशान पळयली. म्हणजे सगळी रुपां तिगेली देवान जशें आमकां बायल मनशेक म्हणटात की वेगवेगळे जाय तेन्ना ती चंडी जावपाक शकता, जाय त्या वेळार ती शांतादुर्गा जावपाक शकता, अशी वेगवेगळी रुपां बायल मनशेची आसा. ती सगळी रुपां इंदिरा गांधीन सगळ्या देशाकच न्ही जाल्यार जगातल्या लोकांक सुद्धा दाखयल्यात. म्हणून आजय इंदिरा गांधी म्हटल्यार सगळ्या जगात एक वेगळें वातावरण आसा.